And the guy says he's got a
Okay, we're just testing the mic. We're just testing the new mic. We're just testing the new mic. We're just testing the new mic. Testing the new mic closer, farther away, further away, farther away. Okay, what would happen if somebody that could really play guitar and got close to a guitar? Can you hear me talk? 1, 2, 3. You might have to have a guitar mic. Let's see, far away. If someone could sing, would they need a special mic? 1, 2, 3. Closer. 1, 2, 3. Sibilance. Sibilance. Test, test. Okay, just for an example, let's take the line in quarter inch, not a quarter inch, 3.8 millimeter stereo mini plug into the side of the Nikon D600 input. Take it out. Alright, I was running the line output. I was running the line output on the PV8 USB into the Nikon. Now I've unplugged that. We're using we're using the external mic, the normal built-in mic on the Nikon D600, just to show you all the external noises that you pick up when you don't run it direct through. That's my TV.
I hate messing with this.
Okay, and if I was playing music, I could run the music through here. Turn on the iTunes for a second, just to show you the difference in the sound. Okay, this is just the external mic. Okay. You probably hear zipper noise. Really play. It's possible I could use the use the external mic to do things, and a lot of people do, but my experiment was to see what would it sound like if I ran it through a mixer and ran everything everything through the mixer into the direct input of the Nikon. So I haven't played this guitar since I was 12, 50 something. Never do that chord anyway. Okay.